Hey there, YouTube. Take a look where I'm at. I'm outside of Ridgeway on Last Dollar Road, Colorado. Today is Thursday, September the 20th, 2018, at about 10:18, I think, something like that. No, 10:11 in the morning. So 10:11 right now, and this is what we're looking at. So again, day September 20th, and this is what it looks like coming up Last Dollar Road. Not a bad view, if I must say so myself. And from what I've been seeing online, a lot more where this comes from. This is just beginning. Stay with me, and let's go check out Colorado. Alright, so this is what I just shot from the vehicle driving down. Just look around here, and this is a very nice area. You can see there's not any color in here, but there's a lot of green. Looks like a lot of that's going to turn here in a little while. And a lot more yellow through there, and right on down the valley there. And there you can see the road that we're heading down. So, beautiful stuff. Let's keep going. Alright, now take a look at this view. Nothing special, right? Alright, let's go around. Let me show you something. Getting better? Is it getting better? What do you think of that? Pretty nice, huh? And here, as we walk up the road, let me show you back down the hill here. Look at all that color. Very nice. I know I like it. Hopefully you do too. And here, look how bright that is. Sun shining right through. Very cool. Alright, let's you and me move on to the next spot. Okay, so here you can see we came from this direction. So, look, as we pan around, look at this color. How gorgeous is all that? And then, as we get to where we're going straight down this road, look at the color out here and all the way around down there. Pretty nice, huh? I know I like it. And we're starting to get a few clouds in the sky there, so you can see. Here, I'll give you one last shot of that. Is that not just gorgeous? I think it is. Okay, we are off Last Dollar Road, and where we're at is on 149. We are heading up the little road right there to a little place called Alta Lakes and Alta Lakes Ghost Town. I've been there before, but we've never been there for fall. Look at these trees all down through here. Just look at this view. Is that gorgeous or is that gorgeous? So, let's go on to Alta Lakes. It's the FJ, and we're gonna keep right on trucking. Right up here next to the building, we've got a marmot. It's a little guy. I don't know if this will pick him up or not, but there he is. This used to be a restaurant. This was the boarding house. Yeah, here's the problem. They've got this gated off. We can't get back in there where the other houses and stuff are. So, a little bummed on that. Okay, so I've climbed up a little bit. So these colorful trees here, at least we got these. Back over there is the restaurant and the boarding house. And then, see quite a few vehicles parked here. So, we got peoples. We can look out to the mountains this way. Alright, so Alta Lakes in Ghost Town has become a very big disappointment, where they're not looking you out of there. But maybe next time, we'll see. Alright, so here I want you to see, we're heading up Overpass. That's what this is, okay? But here's the real story of the show. Check this out. All this orange down here, and then way out there in the distance, look at all that. You should be able to see that right down in there is the town of Ouray itself that we came through. And all that green on the mountains, and back up to there. Is this beautiful? And if you'll look down here, it should be about there. There's a lake down there. So, very, very nice. So, stay with me, and we're going to keep going. We've got about 5 hours of daylight left. We're going to see how much we can fit in. Alright, so we're still coming down Overpass. We're almost off of this. You look that way, and the sun I know is kind of bright, but look at this color as we come around. Check this out. How beautiful is this? Very, right? And that's where we're heading to, is right that way. So as we just get closer to these trees here, check this out. Think you'll enjoy this. Here, I'll even give you a little bit of sun. Alright. See you on the next go around here. Alright, we are now on Mineral Creek Road, which this takes up to Clear Lake, if you're familiar with that. See all the nice orange up there? It's 3:54 in the afternoon. We've got a little over, maybe about 3 hours and 10 minutes or so of daylight left. And I've got to do Clear Lake, and I've got to go up to Animas Forks, and I've got to go down to, got to go over Salmon Pass and get all that. This is the way that we came from. You can see all the nice area the FJ sitting in. All these nice trees, and all the way through there. I mean, it's just crazy with color. But that orange up on that mountain there, that is really something to behold. Okay guys, it is 6:53 in the evening, obviously, and you can see that view there. I'm going to close out this video. So we're going to take a look here, go around. Let me show you something. Yeah, are you saying wow? Because you absolutely should be. Look all the way through, all the way over, and all the way up. Nice? Nice don't even do it justice. Check this out. I mean, that is just fantastic. Gotta say, I love this. But yeah, we'll be off of Salmon Pass in a little while, and everything will be completely done. Everything will be completely done. And here, I'm just going to get the FJ here with some of this color. There we go. And then we'll get her this way. Get some of that color with it. Not bad, huh? Alright, hope you enjoyed this whole series. I know I certainly enjoyed bringing it to you. And so like it, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and tell me if you want more. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye now.